Today we will run through the installation of VELUX Active with NETATMO. A smart system that takes care of your indoor climate by operating your roof windows, blinds and shutters. Let's see what's in the box. There's an indoor climate sensor, a departure switch, a gateway, screws, cables, batteries, fixings, as well as a quick start guide. In addition to the elements in the box, you need Wi-Fi internet access and a smartphone to set up the system. Start by downloading the VELUX Active with NETATMO app and create a user account. Now let's quickly go through the installation step by step. First, you need to set up the gateway. Follow the instructions in the app, plug the cable into the gateway and wait for the flashing light on the back. First, you need to make a connection between the gateway and your local Wi-Fi. If you use an iPhone, the next step will be to connect to Apple HomeKit. Simply scan the numbers on the back of the gateway. Next step is to connect the indoor climate sensor and departure switch to the gateway by gently removing the back cover and inserting the included batteries. When done, the app will detect them. The next step is to copy your electric VELUX products into the gateway by using the control pad or wall switch which normally operates your products. Whether you have a control pad or a wall switch, simply follow the instructions in the app. When done, you can see all your electric roof windows, blinds and shutters in the app. Then it's time to select the rooms for your products. Pick a room type from the list and give it your own name if you want to. Finally, you need to mount the indoor climate sensor, avoiding direct sunlight. This can be done with the screws or the mounting tape from the box. Then you're done. Simple as that.